Okay, UK legislation potentially about to change. That means more scooters on the road, off the road, safety first. So let's have a look at these Icon Airlift Battle Scar and Blockchain. Let's go. Okay. Do you know, these guys, gotta say, love them. Purchase something, sent out free delivery, decide that you don't want it, 365 day product return. This is not coming out. I mean, it's going to come out. It's not coming out. Oh, there we go. And they pay for postage both ways.
Today we're bringing you 3 different colours.
Oh, 2 different colours, 3 different helmets.
Wow! 3 different colours.
So, this one is the Battle Scar. Pop that open. Show you. There we go.
Comes with your manual on the front there.
We're going to flip this out.
Look at that.
Pop that down. So the Battle Scar comes with an extra visor.
Call it the race visor.
I'm going to give you that one right there. Also in the box, looks like a sticker, some tags that are already off. So I suspect maybe this was a return.
I do like this little bag that they've put the helmet in. It's going to be nice to carry around.
Okay. Shall we open the next one?
Yeah, let's go.
And then we'll take the cover off at the same time, eh? Okay.
So a little fact on these are ECE 2205 rated for all countries in Europe. You would have to double check the local laws on your helmet ratings.
This one is the red blockchain. Again, same setup in the box, instruction manual on the top, nifty little sticker. Not that I'm ever going to use it, but thank you. There's the visor on that bad boy.
Bit of protective green coating in the side of that one.
Another instruction manual. You never get enough of those ones. So something to keep in mind when you're buying one of these Icon Air flights. I know that helmets is kind of like a personal thing for people, for riders, especially bike riders, although we're not going to be using them on bikes. But I find that they run on the small size. The small side. So I've had to go up a size. Ooh, some of the packaging there damaged. Hopefully that's not impacted upon the product inside. If you're wondering how to measure, basically you're going to measure around the biggest part, just above your ears, above your eyes. So there's the visor out of this one. For some reason the top part didn't come on the other one, so I'm guessing it's already been fitted. Not a problem, just means it was probably returned or tried on in the shop. So again, another manual. This is the blockchain red, not green, sorry, do apologise.
Some more branding on this bag.
Okay, so, do you want to take these out? Let's have a little look. And because they are the Icon Air flight, they're going to be pretty much the same helmet, just a different design on there.
2 green ones there. Yeah, as you can see, this is actually a little bit of a lighter green. This is the Battle Scar.
Very halo.
Very halo, especially with the visor that goes on there as well. I like that one.
You like that one?
That is a nice
I
helmet.
like that one, that's pretty mean. Pretty mean. So one thing I like about these helmets is that they are very mean looking. And that's something that I kind of wanted. Okay.
They've got a very matte finish to them as well, so there's no shine at all.
So as you can see,
really like.
they all come with 2 visors. so you can swap them out. This is your smoky visor, this is your race visor that comes with the battle scar. Pretty much everything on the blockchain is the same between the two colours there.
So currently this one only comes free with the battle scar, but you can buy this separately for any of the helmets that you want.
Okay. We try this one on, eh?
And they're actually reasonably priced as well, starting at 245, 246, all the way up to around 260. And that's British pounds. And usually the bikes, you would get a clip. These look like they thread through, and then you've got a like a clipper button on the strap there.
So one thing to note, as you can see, we have sun visors internally. You can control those by the left.
So it looks like your sun visor is actually smoky or smoked out, where this one's actually kind of like a yellow tinge.
Again, very halo.
Very halo. I like that. Goes very well.
So, along the bottom you'll also find that you can take this mesh off. These little bits in here we can also take out as well. We do have some vents to the front of these. As you can see, you can pull these back. And if you do want to change the visor, these little things come off on the side here, and you can just flip the visor up.
I tell you what, I reckon that would look pretty sweet on there.
So, there we go. Once it's locked there, you can then take the visor off, like so. And then you can just swap them out and put the other visor on.
And give this one a go.
Okay.
So as you can see now, it's out of the case. You can see through it very, very well.
So I think these replacement visors run around £40. So if you did want to stick this visor onto the red helmet, set you back £40.
So you do have two air vents at the top here. To open those up, just lift them up. Out of the three of them, which one is it that you're
the design.
You like the most?
The design. I think it's got a bit of red. The red blockchain.
Yeah, I agree. The red is definitely one of the best ones.
So sizing on these bad boys is pretty much XL to 3XL. That's a range of 53 centimeters all the way up to 66 centimeters. As I mentioned, it's definitely worth going up a size, at least it was for me, but then again, I do have a fat head, so it's to be expected.
They do have a removable lining as well, so that you can take it out and wash it if you need to. I know that some bigger guys do get a bit sweaty every so often.
Fuck you too.
Also on the inside where the mouthpiece is, you can adjust the airflow with a vent as well. So that's handy to stop any fogging, helps you breathe a little bit more.
Okay, so these were purchased so that we could use them on our scooters. As mentioned previously in the video, current law and legislation is being reassessed for electric scooters in the UK. At the moment, they're illegal to take on public roads, and you can only use them on private land. That said, we've been out and about, and you know, we've never been stopped. In fact, we get asked quite a lot of questions about them. I think if you're going to use them while you're out and about, just remember safety first. Always make sure that you've got protective headgear. Prior to this, we were wearing skater helmets and other protective gear. But yeah, going forwards, if everybody acts safely while on the road, hopefully we'll be seeing scooters being made legal very soon.
And just add a little note to that, in an upcoming video we will be doing a review between the 9-Bot Max, which is what I own, and the Y-Wheel Pro 2020 model.
Oh, not to mention, or forget to mention, we also have the X11 and the Wolf Warrior.
Which is what these helmets are for.
Yes. Safety first, people. Let's go.